What's up everybody, I hope y'all are doing well. My name's Anthony, you are watching Palmetto Prepared. Now on this episode, obviously we're back in the kitchen because we're going to be doing some baking. However, this is probably going to be one of the easiest recipes that I ever put on my channel. And that is Irish soda bread. Now the reason why this bread is so popular is because there is no yeast involved. It's literally using baking soda as its leavening agent. Now the reason why I wanted to go ahead and throw this on here now is because I wanted to try to give y'all, my viewer, another option to be able to make bread at home, since I'm a huge fan of making bread, to make bread at home without having to worry about yeast, rise time, proof time, all that fun stuff. Literally it's 4 ingredients, mixing them together and then baking them. So you can decide, hey, I want bread. And then within the hour, you can be eating that bread. That's why I like this recipe so much, and that's why I wanted to bring it to you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, there you have it. Super easy recipe. This is one of those things that you can easily get done, like I said, within an hour. Just make sure that whenever it comes out of the oven, mine took about 38 minutes. Make sure when it comes out of the oven, you let it cool down for about half an hour before you cut into it, because if you cut into it too early, then it's just going to still be kind of moist inside and it might gum up your knife. But if you learned something from this video, please give me that thumbs up. It really does help out with the algorithm. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I will catch y'all later, okay? Bye.